Okay, this video is to explain how to put mains electricity onto Scandal, which you need to do if you're going to want to plug your appliances on board, of course, and if you want to run the fridge when the engine isn't on, which obviously it won't be for much of your stay here. Just by the chart table, by the footwell next to the chart table, you'll find this reel of cable. This is the cable that we use to connect Scandal to the mains power on shore. Obviously it has two ends. This end here, the short reel on this side, terminating in this sort of right angle joint here. This is the end that plugs into the boat, just here. And this other end, which is on the business end of the reel, if you like, is the end that plugs into the pontoon fitting. First things first is probably to unreel an amount of cable that you think is about the right amount of cable to get to the pillar over there. You can see the pillar where it's going to have to connect. So I'm going to unreel probably about 5 meters of cable. I think should do it. I reckon that's about enough. So whilst we're standing here, we can put the reel down and plug the boat end. As a sprung-loaded cap. The boat end goes in like this, so it's slightly awkward. You have to put the cable here right next to the bulkhead, but if you do that, then you can just slide the fitting up and over, and you'll know it's in fully because this blue cap will then spring over, and there's a catch there that holds the fitting on. So that's the boat end done. We then take the shore end and put it underneath the stern rail. It saves it draping too high. So underneath the stern rail and then out. And over onto the pontoon where it plugs into the socket here, and that effectively connects the boat to the mains. To check that you're running, come down below with me. And you'll find in the toilet, you go after the toilet, just here, this little blue box here is the converter, and it converts into for DC, because the fridge runs on 12 volts DC, and underneath you'll see a green light. So underneath you'll see a green light there. If you connect it, that green light is going to show. If that green light isn't connected, then either there's something wrong with the cable, or the breaker's gone, in which case call me, or perhaps there's actually no power on the pontoon. There's always a possibility, because pontoons do lose their power every now and again if somebody